First, let's marinate the pork with paprika, Worcestershire sauce, salt, and garlic, then mix very well. In a pan or pot, heat some oil and half of the butter. Always mix some oil if you want to saute with butter to avoid the butter from burning. Next, add about a tablespoon of flour to your pork mixture. Mix very well, then saute. Add in your onions and garlic, then continue to mix around. Then add in your mushrooms. Sprinkle some flour to help this thicken up as we cook, then deglaze with some Worcestershire sauce. Mix very well, then add in about 3 cups of water. Once it comes to a boil, drop in your cubes, mix, then cover, and cook for about 30 minutes. "30 minutes has passed, remove the lid, put on high heat, and let this reduce. Season with black pepper. Now the sauce has reduced and thickened up, add in your evaporated milk, mix very well, then again, reduce the sauce. This is all done, turn off the heat, add the remaining butter, and let's plate this up. Just spoon the meat first to your bowl, top it off with the sauce, and finish with fried garlic and paprika. And voila! Creamy pork with mushrooms, done.